Well, I keep on getting higher, thinking I'll learn how to fly. Burning down the fast lane like a young man in my prime. And all those
getting ready for day 2. Getting ready to do another mini tour of Arkansas, starting out in Fayetteville and headed out to do 21 and 23 pig trail.
And there ain't nothing that seems to slow me down.
Yeah, buddy.
Rolling on. Rolling on like a river to the sea. Like an empty stretch of blacktop with no limit on my speed. Rolling on one step ahead of staying stone. Rolling on. I'm still rolling on. I remember the night the lights went out in Tennessee. I hit the door running before they caught up to me. Down the road I heard them say, you'll never catch
so
that
old it only go to 99 cents, so he has to cover the price up.
Long gone. There ain't nothing seems to slow me down. I'm still rolling on. Rolling on like a river to the sea. Like an empty stretch of blacktop with no limit on my speed.
No, I didn't.
Rolling on one
It was
step
2 something and it was $8 and something, but I don't remember what the. Yeah, you can go check to see what it is.
I'm still rolling on. Yeah.
Come down 21 and then change of plans. We talked to some local bikers that told us about another pretty cool route, so we took this 103 back up here to 215. It was an amazing ride, and right here in the town of Oark is the oldest general store in the state of Arkansas.
I'm still rolling on. Rolling on like a river to the sea. Like an empty stretch of blacktop with no limit on my speed. Rolling on one step ahead of staying stone. Rolling on. I'm still rolling on. Rolling on 2 steps ahead of staying stone. Rolling on. Well, I'm still rolling on. Yeah, rolling on. Well, I'm still rolling on.
Pop. Then we cut across in this 215, which is also an awesome ride. Over here to 23 and caught part of the pig trail back up to 16, which was really wicked cool. Then we cut 16 back up to Fayetteville, loaded up the bikes in the camper, and headed back to Joplin.